Welcome back, Scale Modelers, to Scale Model Kit Review. This is Steve. I have a few items I want to show you I received from Jerry over at Just Paint It, and these are garage kits by Heng at Heng's Model Kits, and I'll put a link down below on how you can order one of these for yourself. But this is the NAMM M-60 Gunner Kit. It's a garage kit, 3D rendered, but it's actually resin casted. And if you guys know anything about Heng's resin garage kits, they don't need any cleanup whatsoever. There's no seams anywhere on these kits, and I'll show you that here in a second. This kit comprises of 25 pieces, very detailed, 2 different heads, an M-60 machine gun, ammo belts, really nice base to represent him going through a river or some kind of water obstacle, and it's fantastic. So I'm going to go ahead and show you this kit in detail, and then after that I'm going to show you a couple other items that Heng sells on his site. Let's get started. And here's the main parts for the kit. This represents the 25th Infantry Division by the markings, the patch on his shoulder there. It's an older style jungle fatigues with the external buttons on the pockets, the epaulets on top. Very nice, very well detailed here. Remember, this is a resin kit. It's not 3D printed. It is resin casted. We get 2 heads, 2 arms, and the helmet. Lots of detail there, and I'll show you the details of those here in a second. And here's the next grouping of parts. We have the M-60 machine gun. We have a couple hand grenades, shovel, his revolver, flashlight, ammo, sea rats, canteen, and the backpack. Ammo belts for the M-60. Very nicely represented there again, and of course the strap for the M-60. Detailed base representing our gunner foraging through a stream up to about his waist, and I'll show you that, how that keys into that. Shows you how that fits on there. That's going to be cool to represent on this. Very cool base. And to give you close-up detail, very cool here with the straight across U.S. Army tag and name tag. How detailed the pockets are. The belt, that is very nicely done there too. All the straps from his harness for the backpack. Very nice. Put the backpack on him. And that's what the backpack looks like. Very authentic looking. And there's the patch for the 25th Infantry Division. Here's the helmet. Got the cards, cigarettes, peace badge, oil for the machine gun, of course the strap. Very detailed there, very nice. And here's one of the sculpts for the head. A little bit of the dog tag there on the bottom. Very nice. And the other head. Very nice. The tripod for the M-60 there. This is his right hand and arm. And the other left hand and arm, his watch and bracelet. The M-60 machine gun, very well detailed. The barrel for the M-60 and the other half of the tripod. C-Rat's map case goes on the belt. Canteen. The shovel. The pistol. The hand grenades with the pins and ammo pouch. Here's the paperwork that came with this kit. Shows it fully assembled here. You can use this as a guide for putting him together. It is watermarked, and I have kit 06 of 49, and you can see the stamping here, watermarking stamping. It's authentic. Listing of all the parts, 25 pieces, and all the parts. Tells you what every part is named. Very nice. And the example there. Here are a couple other items from Heng model kits. These are what we call flats, and these are also resin casted, and that is fantastic. I'll give you a close-up of that here in a second, but they're just little flats you can have fun painting. And the other one here, same thing, Special Forces, Iraq, that type thing. Very nice. I did receive these from Jerry over at Just Paint It, and I'll put a link down below. You guys should check out his channel. He does some awesome paint ups and tutorials on how to paint flesh tones and how just overall how to paint kits. And here's a close-up of the first flat, which represents a medic carrying a wounded soldier off the battlefield. Has a beautiful background of the American flag behind there. I mean, the detail here is wonderful. That would be a lot of fun to paint. Definitely there. Let's look at the next one. And the next one here, this is a special operations operator over in Iraq or Afghanistan, and you can see there fully loaded backpack, parachute. Looks like a sniper rifle he's holding, sunglasses, the helmet for the night vision setup. Very nice there. Remember, you can only purchase these from Heng model kits. I'll put a link down below. They are fantastic. I would like to thank Heng Hilger for these review samples, and I'd like to thank Jerry over at Just Paint It for giving me the opportunity to give you guys a review of these. And going along with that, I'll be painting up our NAM M-60 gunner for Veterans Day this year. And if you'll follow Red Dragon Model Works or the Styrene Syndicate, Gilbert Mondragon is hosting this paint up and build of him. So keep a watch for that, and if you missed it, I'll put a link down below on our builds that we did for this live on YouTube. And there you have it. Thank you, Heng, for the review sample of these kits. They are fantastic. I think they are second to none, and your kits are definitely beautiful subjects on the matter, check out his site because he has a full array of resin cast kits that are out there, and you know, they're just wonderful. So with that, if you like my content, please subscribe to my channel and smash that like button. Happy modeling, everybody, and happy Veterans Day.